Just in the last little while, we are told that Amit Shah has spoken to Nitish Kumar. This would possibly be on the all-important issue of leadership, who the NDA will have back as the Chief Minister. There was always a suggestion that Nitish Kumar would be the Chief Ministerial candidate, but that needed to be finalized in the context of what's happening today. Let's first go across now to Arvind Gunasekara, who's at the BJP headquarters. Arvind, do we have any idea of what this conversation was all about? Number one, and number two, give us an idea of the preparations which are already underway where you are.
Yeah, Vishnu, first let me answer your second question. In fact, we are actually now standing at BJP headquarters in the national capital, where we can see BJP workers have already gathered at the headquarters here. In fact, the preparations have been made for senior leaders to address the gathering here. So what we are being told is that shortly from now, we can expect BJP National President JP Nadda to arrive at the party headquarters here, where he would be meeting with some of the senior leaders who have already come here. After which, based on the results, we can also expect Prime Minister Narendra Modi and also Home Minister Amit Shah to come to the BJP headquarters here. In fact, the stage has also been set to address the gathering if the results are favorable. In fact, even the BJP leaders, in fact, though the party has done exceedingly well in almost all the by-poll across the country, the party is cautiously very silent when it comes to Bihar, because almost 40% of the votes are yet to be counted. So that's why the party is still silent when it comes to Bihar. They have not actually called the elections on their favor. Though what we are hearing is that Home Minister Amit Shah has already spoken to JDU Chief and also Chief Minister of Bihar, Nitish Kumar, regarding the election. So we are not clear what exactly this particular conversation was all about. But one thing is very clear: even during the campaign, even when media asked Amit Shah regarding the Chief Minister candidate, post-poll scenario, etc., Amit Shah had always made it very clear. Not just Amit Shah, even BJP had always made it very clear. Whatever the situation may be, Nitish Kumar will be the CM candidate for the NDA. So that has been already made clear by BJP on several occasions. But now with the change in scenario, if BJP needs the support of LJP also to form the government, then there comes a very tricky situation for BJP in order to negotiate, because if LJP puts a demand that Nitish Kumar should not be the CM, then BJP has to bring both the parties together for that on the table. So that's where the role of BJP is very important. But as of this moment, BJP leaders are very confident NDA alone will be able to get past the majority, and then they would be easily forming the government. So that's why the NDA leaders, the BJP leaders, are very confident. Again, those leaders are also glued to TV to see how the next 40% of the votes proceed. But they are very clear that the BJP, along with JDU, can form the government in Bihar.